Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the Furama. We're gonna walk actually out here from the Furama to the beach. Check out the beach part there. Walk all the way on the beach back to the An Thuong Area. Just had a meeting here, and maybe this is also the right resort for you, especially if you wanna have it calm. And I mean, today it's very busy. It's a very busy holiday here in Vietnam, and in Da Nang there's a lot of tourism going on. But look at the beautiful ocean here, guys. Fantastic. It's actually where we're gonna stay soon again. I love it. Furama, this is real vacation in Da Nang. And it is so close to the An Thuong area. And this is also what I will show you in this video. You can stay here and you can still walk back to the stressful and loud neighborhood. But here, the only loud thing you hear is the water fountain here, maybe the ocean, maybe some animals, some birds. You have 2 infinity pools here. But we will walk out and on the beach and check out also the beach parts here. Right here on the daytime, it's not that busy. But I definitely need some electrolytes after that. Hey, electrolyte companies, you need to sponsor me, guys. No, don't forget to like and subscribe already. And let's check out the beach. So they also have surf lessons here as well. You can rent out these things here, life jackets. They also have I think it's like a pop-up steakhouse over there on the beach. I think one of the nicest places to have a date. You have volleyball nets, foot volleyball, and yeah, look how empty everything is here. This is still easy to walk, but I'm walking for you now on the beach back, guys. As you can see, it's very private here. And right next to the Furama Resort is the Furama Villas. So that's even less crowded. And you cannot easily park here and come out here to the beach. That's why it's always empty. I can show you over there where people actually can drive in, and that's where it gets packed and full. Beach football here. The ocean looks fantastic. Right next to the Furama Resort is the Pullman. I also did a review on that. You know what? This time I will put in the Furama review and the Pullman review, both in this walk. All right, guys. The ocean looks fantastic. The sand is immaculate. A little bit trash here, sadly. But other than that, it's very clean. They take care of that place. I don't know what that was, but yeah, the water looks fantastic. This is what I love in Da Nang, the water quality at this time of the year when it's summer. It's just perfect. You have one lifeguard there, so you can go in the water here. And as you can see here, right after that, it's the Pullman, also very empty as well. Don't get me wrong, the hotels are packed. It's just so much space for so little hotel. So Furama is sold out, completely full at the moment. We talked with the general manager, so we know villas and everything is full. But this is also a very busy holiday. As you can see here, you have the Pullman over there. Before there was the Premier Village right after, but that's closed right now. So Accor is not in there anymore, and they don't have day passes at the moment as of this recording, but it will be resumed probably very soon. I think other companies go in there, so we will see how it will look. But lots of people here in the water. Looks very nice. Some waves, not too high. But yeah, you have a beautiful look here. This time of the day, it's still calm and nice. But it can also be very, very full, especially when the sun goes down. Then especially this part is absolutely packed. It's so packed you could not recognize this place here. So only because I show you this now, it's empty. It's not empty at 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening. 100% of it. It's completely packed because you can park over there, you can park your motorbike and everything is full. Completely full. Swimming time. This beach part you can, now we can stay here until 7, you can swim. It's probably only because of the lifeguards. So there has to be a lifeguard on duty, and that's when you can swim. But there is somewhere a night swimming beach as well, right in the An Thuong area. But as you can see here, it's very nice and calm. People staying in the shade of the palm trees, coconut trees, and everything is empty. It's so funny. I would love to make a before and after noon video. What a difference that is. Now I can already see, when did you record this? I've never seen the beach so empty. It's noontime, and I would also highly suggest you don't do this, what I do right now, and walk around at noontime. Better stay in your AC room and watch this and go in early or late. Early, I would say 9 o'clock. It's not that strong yet, not that hot. Now it's like brutal. The sun is right on top of me. That's why it's no one here. But if you just want to have like 1 hour of nice going in the water or something, or sunbathe, this is a perfect time. Here also you cannot go in the water at the moment. Whenever there are lifeguards, so for example, in the case of Premier Village, when they were open, there were also lifeguards, and then you were able to go here in the water. So everywhere where there is a resort, there will also be a lifeguard on duty. Usually, I mean it should be, because the guests can go there in the water, obviously. So this changed here now, since Premier Village is not inside anymore. But yeah, I will take a look on the pool. Maybe we have to open our own beach club there. It's a nice location. It's a very nice scenery here. Absolutely beautiful. Nice beach part. If you are here, it's also always empty because it's hard to get here. You can't park and go in there. You have to walk here. What I showed you right now. That's why it's always empty here, no matter what time. I mean, foreigners who don't want to have many people will go there, then you will have them. But you will not have masses here. Because the masses are usually where you can park. As you can see here, the skyline of Da Nang Beach is starting here. This is the change of scenery from all the resorts from Hoi An to Da Nang. You have then the resorts stopping here with Premier Village, and then you have the high-rises on the beach. And it's a total different world. As you just saw how calm and nice Furama is, and then you get here, it's very loud and buzzing. Of course, Furama is not to stay forever. It's too calm, I would say. But it's nice to have a relaxed time out. Like, you don't want to have honking or anything or loud noise. Maybe you're coming from a big city, or you're living in Ho Chi Minh City or something, or in Bangkok. Then I think places like Furama is perfect to calm down, be in nature. They're opening a farm over there. It was very interesting as well. Huh. someone recording. Now I'm in the shot. Hello! Yeah, as you can see, the Furama, not the Furama, the Premier Village, all the villas there, it's not that packed, I think. They don't have a proper management at the moment. I think they are individually rented out per month, if I'm not wrong. Maybe even Airbnb. But I think a big chain will go in soon and will take control, so you can actually rent out those places. I think Premier Village, or at least the whole villas, it's good for big families with lots of children. They have 4-bedroom villas, a lot. So, or for groups, group vacation, things like that. But yeah, as you can see here, now the Mian beach really starts. The An Thuong area is starting here. You can see already a little bit the Kala Kala Beach Club. But this is the first beach, cafe, club, beds here in the An Thuong area. I really like this. Sometimes it's also very packed, but back then, 2 years, 3 years ago, there was nothing here. There was nothing you could buy, anything. It was just a public restroom and public showers in a parking lot. You were able to park and pay for parking there. So if you want to go to the beach with a motorbike, this is like a proper parking spot. You pay, I think, 5,000 dong if I'm not wrong, but don't quote me on that. 5,000 dong, you can park your motorbike here, or even car, which is also maybe interesting for some people. It's here the traditional boats. But we're gonna walk all the way to the first official inn at the Yara Ocean Hotel. Yara Ocean Suites, I think it's called. The first high-rise hotel there, Yara Hotel. And they're building a few new beach clubs there. Very interesting. And here you can also go underwater. You have surf rescue. I'm not sure where the lifeguard is, but I guess he's somewhere. You can hear the music of the Kala Kala Beach Club here. A very nice and great addition to the beach. I'm very excited that they also built another one there. I think it's good. I think there's a huge market for the beach clubs. Oh my God, it's so hot. But yeah, Kala Kala Beach Club, and then also the next one, it's gonna be, I don't know what the name is yet, but it will be right there, next to the seafood restaurant. And they actually renovated this building as well. So I guess it's gonna be both 2-in-1. Maybe it's gonna be a restaurant or another nightclub or something. It was like a KTV place, and they have a beautiful rooftop there too. It looks very fancy and nice already. My God, oh my God, oh my God. They have the first roofs, several roofs, sunroof over there already. Wow, it's gonna be great. Whew. Very interesting. I can't wait to see how it will look. As you can see here usually goes all the rainwater out to the ocean. But it did not rain for a long time. So you can see not even a line here going out. Okay guys, I'm gonna go back to the normal street. Hey, if you never liked these videos, like it now. I'm sweating here for you guys. It looks very nice, guys. It is just like, yeah, like always. But as you can see here, the beach is getting way more crowded there. Because it's an easy fix. If you want to be quiet beach, I just showed you. But the disadvantage of this is you cannot get drinks or beer or anything like that. You gotta bring it and take it again. Don't litter, guys. But I know you don't do. Woo! Workout for today, guys. I'm sweating. I'm hot. But this is beautiful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.